What's your idea of a chemist? Is it something like this? A lot of glassware, bottles, colored solutions? Yes, there is still this in chemistry today. But if you're a chemist, you might also be working with this kind of machinery. This is an NMR. Or maybe a computer and modeling what happens during a reaction. Your book will tell you that there are 5 different kinds of chemists. Physical chemists, organic chemists, inorganic chemists, theoretical chemists, analytical chemists. Yes, those general categories exist, but these days there's a lot of mixture among those categories. They are not hard and fast. This is the website of Dartmouth College. Let's look and see what a research institution is doing in terms of cutting-edge science these days. This is organic chemistry. All of these people are working with things that have to do with carbon and its molecules. So they're talking about medicines. They're talking about natural products, things you find in nature, and trying to synthesize them. And they're talking about figuring out what the molecular reactions are among natural things. See, here's one of those mixtures I was talking about, biological/biophysical chemistry. They're actually figuring out the shape of really complicated molecules. Materials chemistry is a whole category here. They're talking about new materials with properties that people want. Molecular machines are nanoparticles, building very, very small things. Inorganic chemistry, those are molecules that involve all the elements that are not carbon. Look, that's the structure of another complicated molecule. Here's the theoretical, the physical chemistry. What they investigate is very, very deep into the molecules. It's the same kind of things the others study, but they study it at a very, very small level, nano level, down to exactly what bonds are breaking and what bonds are forming. This is the site for the American Chemical Society and all of the journals that get published by them. So this is what's gotten published lately. This article is about using bacteria to make biofuels. This one's about using RNA to test for poisoning. Here are all the journals that the American Chemical Society publishes. So you see, it isn't just a matter of those wide, broad categories that your book tells you. You can get very, very specialized in chemistry today. Material science, chemistry, chemical biology, energy and fuels, agriculture and food chemistry, pharmaceutics, that's making medicines. So chemistry impacts our lives every day. Here's an article about food self-sufficiency. So you can see that chemistry is not a narrow field. Aspects of chemistry touch on all kinds of aspects of our lives. The food we eat, the medicines we take, the environment around us, the cars that we drive, the cell phone in your pocket. Chemistry is everywhere.